Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got a requested video for you today on my med kit. So this is kind of an updated video. I've really changed it a lot since I last did a video, and quite often I was using the small be organised or the travel-on cube, the small travel-on cube, but I've found that the medium set piece is what works best for me. And I have a lot of these medium set pieces, and I switch them in between whether I'm using a purse or a diaper bag. So this one is in the sushi cars, and I just got this last week. Really cute little print. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I have in here. This is how I have it packed up. It's very organised compared to what it used to be like. I used to just throw it in there. So right here I have a wet one. I have some of my son's allergy tablets. I just threw them in there. I have some Advil. I have back here a little Neosporin. And I do have the short strap in there. Not that I'd use the short strap with it, but I just keep it in there. And then I have a coin purse in the Toki Pops. And in here, this is just full of Band-Aids. I just have all kinds of different Band-Aids in there. And I believe there's some wound closure strips in there too. And then I have this other little coin purse, and this is full of, I've got allergy medication for me. I've got, what else have I got? I've got Gaviscon in there. I have kids Tylenol. I just have a whole bunch of medications. This other allergy one, I would typically put it in there, but I didn't get time to just kind of split the packet up to fit it in. Just a whole bunch of different medications in there. I have kids Gravol and everything. I have one child that gets travel sick, so I like to keep all them together. And then down here I have a little pen knife. I have some little nail clippers. I have the Posh Purify Stick. Mainly use this in the summer. It's for bug bites. It works really well on mosquito bites. I have the Healer Stick, which is great for anything that, you know, if your kids, I don't know, get a bit of dry skin or a bit of irritated skin. This works really great. I have the Perk Stick. I was using this for migraines. It didn't really work that well for me, but I do put it on my daughter who gets travel sickness. I just put it behind her ears and on her neck, and it kind of works. And then I have the doTERRA Past Tense, which is what I use for migraines, and this really does work. This is great stuff. If all else fails, I have my Advil. But if I catch it in time, this one really does work. And then all I have left in there is some of the little baby nail scissors. And I've had these for years, like years, and I always carry them, and they're great because they cut paper. I use them all the time. So anyway, yeah, that is what I have in my med kit right now. I have like cleaned it out a lot because I was carrying way more stuff. And this stuff I do use a lot, so yeah, that's how I have my new and improved med kit set up. So any questions, please comment below, and thanks for watching.